Welcome to our comprehensive guide on home electronics. In this video, we'll explore various gadgets and technologies that make our lives easier and more connected. From smart home devices to the latest entertainment systems, we're covering it all. You'll discover how these electronics can enhance your daily routine, improve convenience, and bring more joy to your living spaces. Whether you're a tech enthusiast or just looking to optimize your home, this guide has something for everyone. So, sit back and let us navigate you through the world of home electronics. Get ready for an enlightening journey into making your home smarter and more efficient. In this chapter, we're diving into the world of smart home devices, which are transforming how we interact with our living spaces, bringing convenience and control at our fingertips. Yet, they're not without challenges. From connectivity issues to compatibility concerns, smart home devices can sometimes frustrate even the most tech-savvy users. However, solutions exist to unlock their full potential. We'll explore how to overcome these hurdles and highlight the benefits that make smart home devices essential for modern living. From voice-activated assistants to smart lighting systems, understanding how to optimize these devices can enhance your home experience. Stay with us as we unravel the intricacies of smart home technology and discover how to integrate these powerful tools into your daily routine. Up next, we'll delve into home entertainment systems, showing you how to turn your living room into a personal theater. Let's get started. Home entertainment systems can transform your living room into a personal theater. Whether you prefer a high-definition TV, a surround sound system, or a home theater setup, there's an option to suit your needs. Setting up these systems can come with challenges, from cable management to ensuring optimal acoustics. First, identify the system that best fits your space and viewing habits. Consider the room size, natural light, and viewing distance. Next, tackle common setup issues. Poor cable management can lead to clutter and connectivity problems, while improper speaker placement can result in subpar sound quality. Use high-quality cables to avoid signal loss, position your speakers at ear level, and calibrate your equipment based on your room's layout. Perfecting your setup can elevate your viewing experience, making movie nights and gaming sessions more immersive. Stay tuned for more tips to enhance your home electronics setup. Kitchen gadgets can transform how we approach everyday cooking tasks. From smart blenders to multifunctional ovens, these gadgets save time and effort. However, they often come with their own set of challenges. Have you ever struggled with a blender that won't blend properly or an air fryer cooking unevenly? These common problems can be frustrating, but with a few simple tips, they can be easily overcome. We'll explore popular kitchen gadgets and the issues users frequently encounter, offering practical solutions and tips to ensure you get the most out of your devices. Regular maintenance, like cleaning blades after each use and periodically checking for wear, can significantly extend the life and performance of your blender. Understanding correct cooking times and techniques for air fryers ensures perfect results. Unlock the full potential of your kitchen gadgets to make cooking not just easier but also more enjoyable. Home security systems are essential for peace of mind, providing assurance that your family and possessions are safe. There are various types of home security systems, from basic alarms to advanced, fully integrated smart systems. However, selecting the right one can be overwhelming. Common installation issues, such as improper placement of sensors or cameras, can render the system ineffective. We'll discuss how to avoid these pitfalls and ensure a smooth installation. Additionally, key tips for effective use include regularly checking and maintaining your system, ensuring it functions optimally, and making sure everyone in the household knows how to use it, including arming and disarming. In the next segment, we'll delve into optimizing home office electronics to boost productivity. A well-equipped home office can be a powerhouse of productivity. Essential electronics include high-speed internet and reliable printers. However, these gadgets can bring their own set of challenges. Connectivity issues and uncooperative printers can dent productivity, but simple troubleshooting steps can resolve these problems. Ensuring your router is placed in an optimal location can significantly improve Wi-Fi strength. Using high-quality cables and properly maintaining equipment helps avoid disruptions. Organizing your workspace ergonomically not only prevents physical strain but also keeps your mind focused. An ergonomic chair and the correct monitor height make a world of difference. Next, see how personal health gadgets can complement your home office setup, ensuring you stay healthy and productive. Personal health gadgets are becoming essential tools in our daily lives, helping us monitor and improve our well-being. We'll dive into popular gadgets like fitness trackers that count your steps and monitor your sleep, and smart scales that provide insights into body composition. Common issues like battery life, data accuracy, and connectivity problems often arise. We'll cover practical tips to mitigate these problems and enhance your user experience. Regular software updates, device calibration, and ensuring consistent Bluetooth connectivity make a significant difference. Whether new to health gadgets or looking to get more out of existing tools, using them effectively can lead to meaningful health improvements. Up next, we'll cover cleaning and maintenance gadgets to keep your home spotless effortlessly. Cleaning and maintenance gadgets can transform household chores. We'll dive into popular gadgets that make cleaning and maintaining your home a breeze, from robot vacuums that tidy up floors to smart washing machines that remember your favorite settings. However, these gadgets come with their own set of common issues. Address problems like vacuums getting stuck under furniture or washers needing regular maintenance to prevent buildup. Follow essential tips for effective use, regularly check for software updates, and carry out simple maintenance routines like cleaning filters and emptying dustbins to extend the life of your gadgets. Next, explore how energy management systems can enhance your home's efficiency and convenience. Energy management systems can help you save on utility bills and become more eco-friendly. We'll explore different energy management systems available, from simple programmable thermostats to advanced home automation setups that control every aspect of your home's energy use remotely. Setting up these systems can be tricky, with common issues like connectivity problems and improper sensor placement. Practical solutions include regularly updating the software, placing sensors in optimal locations, and integrating with other smart devices for seamless operation. Regular maintenance and calibration also enhance energy savings. Understanding these aspects improves your home's efficiency and contributes positively to the environment. Next, we'll show how these systems fit into broader home technology and innovation. Having a reliable home network is crucial for smooth connectivity across all your devices. Whether working from home, streaming shows, or managing smart home devices, seamless connectivity is key. Home networking solutions range from wired to wireless setups, each catering to different needs. Even the best networks can face connectivity issues like slow speeds or weak signals. Identifying and resolving these problems is essential. Simple changes like repositioning your router or updating firmware can boost performance. Optimal setup tips include placing your router in a central location away from obstructions, using range extenders or mesh systems for larger homes, and securing your network with strong passwords. Understanding these solutions and addressing common issues ensure a robust home network. Next, we'll delve into how automation systems enhance connectivity and convenience. Home automation systems transform daily living convenience. Imagine lights dimming automatically, thermostats adjusting to your comfort, and coffee brewing as you wake up. However, getting started is not always seamless, with common setup issues like connectivity problems or device compatibility concerns. We'll introduce top home automation systems and provide tips to navigate and solve setup issues. Effective implementation can save time and energy costs. Next, you'll learn advanced techniques to integrate these systems into your routine, ensuring your smart home works for you. Proper lighting can transform your home significantly. We dive into various home lighting solutions to enhance comfort and efficiency. Explore types of lighting from ambient to task and accent lighting, each serving a specific purpose. Setting up perfect lighting isn't without challenges. Common issues include improper installation, wrong placement, or choosing the wrong bulbs. Practical tips include using dimmer switches and smart lighting solutions for versatility and control. LED bulbs are energy efficient and long-lasting, ideal for most applications. Layer your lighting by combining different types for a harmonious look. Next, integrating these lighting strategies can make a significant difference in your home. A good audio system can enhance your home entertainment experience, creating immersive soundscapes. Consider various types of home audio systems from soundbars to full surround sound setups, each offering unique benefits based on your space and needs. Choosing the right components is just the first step. Poor speaker placement can impact sound quality. We'll provide tips for optimal setup. Position speakers at ear level, ensure they're equidistant from the central listening point, and use sound-absorbing materials to improve acoustics. Integrating these audio systems with your home entertainment setup creates a seamless and enjoyable experience. Stay tuned for more insights on optimizing home entertainment. Maintaining an optimal home climate is essential for comfort and energy efficiency. Explore various home climate control systems from traditional thermostats to advanced smart climate systems, each offering unique benefits. Setting up these systems can present challenges like connectivity issues or complex configurations. We'll identify common problems and provide practical solutions to ensure smooth operation. Expert tips for effective usage help you make the most of your system year-round. Applying these tips creates a comfortable, energy-efficient environment at home. Next, we tackle another crucial aspect of optimizing your living space. Home automation hubs centralize control of smart devices, simplifying and making life more efficient. We'll explore top home automation hubs, covering their unique features and benefits. We'll also address common setup issues and provide practical troubleshooting tips. Ensuring seamless device integration unlocks your smart home's full potential. Tips include ensuring compatibility across different brands and optimizing your hub's placement. As we explore these strategies, discover how to maximize your home automation system. Next, learn how integrating your devices under one central command can transform your smart home experience. Surveillance systems enhance home security. Explore various types of home surveillance systems. From basic setups to advanced configurations, fitting different needs and budgets. Common setup challenges include installation complexities leading to frustration and potential security lapses. We'll address typical issues and provide streamlined solutions to ensure smooth and efficient system operation. Key tips include strategically positioning cameras, regularly checking for firmware updates, and ensuring proper network security. Integrating these systems with home automation creates a seamless, secure living environment. Next, we delve into home automation apps, enhancing control and convenience within your smart home. Home automation apps change how we interact with living spaces, allowing control of lights, thermostats, and security systems from your phone. Apps offer convenience but come with setup challenges. Ensuring device compatibility and sane network connectivity can be frustrating. Tips include checking for app and firmware updates to resolve connectivity issues. Consider the app's user interface. If the default is too complicated, third-party options may be better. Customize settings to fit your lifestyle by setting schedules and creating scenes that adjust multiple settings with a single tap. Next, see how voice assistants can enhance this experience, making your home truly smart. Home automation voice assistants transform how we manage smart devices, allowing control of lights, thermostats, security systems, and more with voice commands. Getting started isn't always seamless, with common issues like device connectivity and integration struggles. Choose the right voice assistant by researching options like Amazon Alexa, Google Assistant, and Apple Siri to determine which fits your lifestyle. Follow setup guides and online tutorials, ensuring strong Wi-Fi and device compatibility for smooth integration. Explore the full range of capabilities by setting routines and using voice commands to control multiple devices. Next, learn advanced tips for integrating different home automation systems. Integrating different home automation systems can streamline your smart home experience. We'll introduce home automation integration and its benefits, addressing setup challenges like connectivity and compatibility concerns. Practical tips include ensuring seamless device communication and troubleshooting common obstacles. Linking a smart thermostat with security cameras or syncing lighting with voice commands helps create an efficient smart home environment. Examples of successful integrations and best practices help avoid potential pitfalls. Next, explore practical applications and advanced configurations to elevate your home automation setup further. We've covered a lot in this guide to home electronics. From smart home devices to automation and security systems, each offers unique benefits and challenges. The key is finding what works best for you and your home. Don't be afraid to explore new gadgets and technologies. They can enhance your living experience in different ways. Stay curious and keep experimenting. Your perfect setup awaits discovery. Thank you for joining us on this journey. Keep exploring, and until next time, happy tech adventures.